Your taste buds craving sugar yet? I can tell you that mine sure are, because it's National Root Beer Float Day, and it's a great excuse to indulge in a sweet dessert drink today. Steve Harris is hanging out at Fitz's in SoCo. Steve?
I'll tell you what, and I've got Noah with me making the root beer floats. If you happen to go over to the Del Mar location and see Noah there too, it's not Noah, is it?
No, I got a twin brother working down there too right now. I call him my roommate.
What you call him?
My womb mate.
That's actually really good. So here's what's going on. He makes like 200, 300 these days. Talk me through it. I want to try it. What do I got to do? Talk me through it. You're beef reporter.
All right, well, first you're going to grab one of these mugs right here. And we got root beer right here or right here.
Well, I'm going to go with this one, okay? Oh, is that good?
Yeah, perfect.
And tell me when to stop it.
Stop.
Stop, yeah. Oh, look at it getting all frothy. I like that. Okay, now what?
So we got scoops right here. So you're going to take 3 scoops and put it in your left hand.
3 scoops.
Kind of like a
Can
triangle.
you do that? Oh, well, let's see what we can do.
Yeah.
1, 2, hold on.
Make them a little bit
A
bigger.
little bigger? Oh, yeah, okay. 3, I mean, you know. And then do what?
There you go. Kind of set it on like a triangle.
Like a triangle. Let's give or take. Oh, well, it's not quite the way
good
you
enough.
did it. And then I do what? One more scoop?
One more scoop, top it off.
It's like this poor child here who's going to get the float I made, but hey, that's all right. Maybe no. Oh, look at that.
Beautiful.
Yeah, well, my wife says I'm messy in the kitchen. I was messy here at Fitz's too. But look, looky here, and we got would you like this? I know you would. It still tastes good, even if it doesn't look quite as good as what Noah made. Yeah. Hey, man, that was awesome. So we're down here. We're giving these away. Yeah.
Yeah, we open at 10 o'clock, so the first 10 or so people who are down here get it for free.
Oh, that's right. You get open at 10 o'clock, and the other location, too. It's actually a great day. We were paying for the root beer floats with people coming in. Look, let's see if I can make it over here before they cut me off. These 2 young ladies who came in also. Hey, listen, you guys showed up to get your root beer floats. What do you think of it?
Delicious. Great breakfast.
How about you?
It's probably the first time we've had these for breakfast, yes.
But it's a good breakfast. You get your dairy, you get your, I guess there's no caffeine in root beer, but that, you know, hey, what are you going to do, right?
Right.
Exactly. So that's what's going on down here. Fitz's SoCo for National Root Beer Float Day. Wish you guys were here. I'd have made you.
You wish we were there.
Yeah. How do you think we feel, pal?
Yeah.
I have had my fair share
only
of root beer
imagine.
floats. I don't think I've ever had one at 9:40 in the morning. You know what?
Live a
Breakfast
little.
of champions.
Well,
Yeah.
good day to
It's what
start.
makes America great.
Good day to start.
All right.